Get ready to dive into a showdown between the Nothing Phone 3 and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Both pack serious heat with standout features like stunning 50MP cameras, vibrant OLED displays, and powerful chipsets. But which one truly dominates? Will the Phone 3's flagship Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip outperform the Phone 3A Pro's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3? How do their camera systems compare in versatility and zoom? What about battery life and display quality? Does the slightly bigger 3A Pro screen make a difference? And with price tags that differ by $300, is the premium worth it? Stick around as we break down the main camera, display, CPU, chipset, battery, selfie cam, body design, memory, video capabilities, and more. By the end, you'll have to ask yourself, is the Nothing Phone 3A Pro the budget champ, or is the Nothing Phone 3 the true flagship king? Let's find out. The Nothing Phone 3 features a versatile triple camera setup with a 50MP wide lens, a 50MP telephoto offering 2x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide, providing great flexibility. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro ups the game with a periscope telephoto lens, delivering 3x optical zoom and OIS, making it the better choice for zoomed-in shots. That extra zoom and stabilization make the 3A Pro's camera system stand out for photography enthusiasts. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro sports a slightly larger 6.77-inch display compared to the 6.7 inches on the Nothing Phone 3. This bigger screen offers more real estate for immersive viewing, although the Phone 3 edges it out with a higher screen-to-body ratio, meaning slimmer bezels and a more modern look. When it comes to raw processing power, the Nothing Phone 3 takes the lead with its octa-core CPU featuring a blazing 3.21 GHz Cortex-X4 core, significantly faster than the 2.5 GHz top core in the 3A Pro. This means smoother multitasking and better performance in demanding apps for the Phone 3. Both phones offer sharp Full HD Plus resolutions, but the Nothing Phone 3 has a slight edge with a taller 20:9 aspect ratio and a higher pixel density 394 ppi versus 387 ppi, delivering crisper visuals and more vertical screen space for content. Under the hood, the Phone 3 is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip built on a 4nm process, offering superior performance and efficiency compared to the Snapdragon 7S in the 3A Pro. This chipset difference is crucial for gamers and power users seeking top-tier speed. The Nothing Phone 3 packs a 5150 mAh battery, slightly larger than the 5000 mAh in the 3A Pro. While not a huge difference, that extra capacity can translate to longer screen-on time, especially paired with the efficient chipset of the Phone 3. The Phone 3's LTPO OLED display supports a 1920Hz PWM frequency and HDR10+, ideal for smoother visuals and better eye comfort. The 3A Pro uses an AMOLED panel with impressive peak brightness up to 3000 nits, great for outdoor visibility. The LTPO tech in the Phone 3 offers more advanced refresh rate control, benefiting battery life. Both phones boast a 50-megapixel front camera, but the Phone 3A Pro's f2.2 wide lens with a larger 12.6 sensor size promises better low-light selfies compared to the f2.5 lens on the Phone 3, making it the winner for selfie lovers. The Nothing Phone 3 shines with 11 LED light strips on the back for notifications and camera fill light compared to just 3 on the 3A Pro. This unique design element adds personality and practical lighting, giving the Phone 3 a distinctive edge in aesthetics and functionality. Regarding memory, the Phone 3 offers up to 512GB storage with 12GB RAM, while the 3A Pro caps at 256GB max but also offers 12GB RAM. For users needing more storage, the Phone 3 is the clear choice. Video capabilities favor the Nothing Phone 3, which supports 4K recording at 60 FPS and includes live HDR and OIS for stabilized, high-quality footage. The 3A Pro maxes out at 4K 30 FPS, making the Phone 3 better for videographers. Price is a major factor. The Nothing Phone 3 comes in at $800, whereas the 3A Pro is significantly cheaper at $500. This $300 difference could sway buyers who want flagship features on a budget.